How to create a group chat on Instagram. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can create a group chat on Instagram. So first what you want to do is open up the Instagram app and head into your chats by tapping on the chat or messenger icon at the top right corner of your screen. And here at the top right you'll find a little icon with a pen, a note type icon that you can see just below beside the camera icon. Simply tap on it. And here what you want to do is select the number of users that you want to add to your group chat. Now you can search for them from here and then search it, and you'll get the option. Once you select two or more person, you'll get an option to create group chat. Simply tap on create group chat and the group chat will be created, you can see, and now you can text them from here. So this way you can create a group chat easily on Instagram app. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.